Alright, what's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. And yeah, in today's video, I've got my latest and greatest 6-head wide truck mock. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. What we have here is like a very highly requested truck on this channel. I've got like comments on a lot of videos asking me to build like a 4th gen Dodge, and also some comments asking me to build a flatbed. So I basically decided to combine the two to make this pretty good looking truck right here. So yeah, made from like 2010 to 2016. It's of course a 4th gen Dodge. I think at least 2010 to 2016. And this actually might be like one of my best trucks yet, at least in my opinion. I guess like with all of its features and customizability. I also really like the flatbed. Like I thought it was gonna look kind of bad, and I like never made one before, but I guess after I made it, I really liked it. So yeah, here we have it. As always, like the main feature of this truck is pretty much the front end, as like it's a part that I try to perfect the most, because I guess it's a part that you always see on the real one, and the part that'll make it look like most like the real one if I get it right. So yeah, here we have the front, and I think I did a pretty good job. It's actually like pretty complicated, but I guess when I was first designing this, I like kind of was thinking that I could base it off of my 3rd gen design, but like I didn't actually really want to do that because I feel like I could almost just copy the 3rd gen, and I feel like it'd be like kind of bad, to be honest. So yeah, I scrapped that, went with a totally different design, which I actually made digitally this time. I guess the most complex part is these like angled side pieces, which are angled a bit inwards as well as a bit forward, so it's like kind of on like a dual hinge, but that definitely makes it look good, because like on the road trucks it's sort of like slanted forwards a little bit, I've noticed, which I sort of tried to recreate. And as you can see, this bumper sort of just covers like everything and makes it look really nice. Another big goal of mine when making this truck was sort of to base it off of like a work truck. I think I accomplished that pretty well. It is a two-tone, which I'm not sure was available on that trim, but yeah, I think this two-tone looks really well, looks really good, and it's definitely not going to be my last two-tone truck that I build. I guess like moving on with the work truck theme, as you can see, it's got these like black wheels, which definitely look like pretty industrial and definitely fit in like on a work truck. Also got these mirrors, which are like the folded down versions of like the Dodge tow mirrors, at least that's what they're supposed to be. And yeah, I think those definitely add a nice touch. And then also just like a few minor things like these, I guess, roller skate door handles, and of course the biggest thing, which is this flatbed back here. Obviously the flatbed makes this like most like a work truck. Definitely looks pretty industrial, which is like my main goal. It's got these like bars back here, which I guess now that I look at it, kind of look like they could be like fishing pole holders, but I mean, I guess that's up to your imagination. Also back here, it's got these mud flaps, which definitely fit in on like a flatbed kind of truck like this, as well as this axle dump exhaust, which I mean actually doesn't really fit in that well, but I basically had to put it on because a side exit wouldn't work with these mud flaps in the way. And of course, the reason I like this flatbed so much is just like its customizability. Like you can honestly do so much stuff with this. Like you can basically just use it for simply like hauling cargo. You can use it as, I guess what a lot of people do is make it like a hot shot tow rig, or another popular option would be like a welding rig. Just put some like, get a welder, you know, some tanks, and I guess mount them on the back here. I mean, to be honest, you could even make this truck a snow plow. As you can see, I've made this plow right here, which actually definitely fits in like with the theme of the truck. You can even put like a salter back here, which I didn't make, but I think it would look pretty nice. Especially in the northeast up here, you see like a lot of trucks like these, I guess, going down the roads in winter. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the exterior features. I guess as for the interior, well, I mean, it's kind of pretty trash, to be honest. Like I didn't really add anything except for like a dash and a steering wheel. But I mean, I guess that's to like shorten the tutorial and also make it so that, I mean, you guys can pretty much add like any kind of interior details that you want. Another thing I should mention is I do have a 5th gen design in progress, which is a bit similar to this. It's sort of halfway done because I haven't made the bed design, because it's not going to be like a flatbed like this. But yeah, the front is, I guess, a bit similar to this. Obviously it's different in real life, so I had to change it a little bit. But yeah, just know that a 5th gen will be coming soon. And yeah, I guess the last thing I will mention before the tutorial is that I am going to plan on making kits for these. I haven't exactly started on the instructions yet, so I'm not sure when that'll come. But I also am making a kit for the 3rd gen that I made, and the instructions for that's kind of like halfway done, so that'll probably come before this. But yeah, anyways, you're probably tired of hearing me talking, so yeah, let's move on to the tutorial. much.